Do you want something nutritious and comforting to warm you up this winter, but not just another salad? Then check this out. This is pan-fried cauliflower steak and bean salad. This cauliflower steak is seasoned to perfection and pan-fried until golden brown, topped with refreshing bean salad made with chopped onion, diced tomato, fresh mint, and a tangy Dijon vinaigrette dressing. This dish is the perfect blend of flavors and textures. It's healthy and gluten-free and is perfect to be served as a side dish or starter. So enjoy the warmth and comfort of this flavorful meal while nourishing your body. This recipe is super simple and ideal for anyone who doesn't have a lot of time. Start by removing the leaves from one head of cauliflower. Once the leaves are removed, flip it over. And keeping the stem intact, slice lengthwise through the core, about 3/4 inch thick. You should be able to get 2 cauliflower steaks from this. As for the rest of the cauliflower, you can make soup, cauliflower rice, or whatever you fancy. It's time to heat things up. Get a large skillet going on medium heat and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Next, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that will help to brown the cauliflower beautifully. Gently place the cauliflower steaks on the skillet and make sure they are coated in butter. Season with salt and fresh black pepper. Then sprinkle garlic powder. Onion powder. And sprinkle smoked paprika for that deep, smoky flavor. Let them sizzle for a few minutes until the bottom is golden brown. Carefully flip the cauliflower steaks and season the other side with the same spices. Once the cauliflower steaks are nice and tender, you can remove them from the heat. Now you can enjoy them as they are, but we are taking them to the next level with amazing toppings. As for the toppings, we are going to put together 6 blends of bean salad with a simple Dijon vinaigrette dressing. Start by adding 2 cups of mixed beans in the mixing bowl. Next, grab 1 tablespoon of parsley and 1 teaspoon of mint leaves. Roll them like a cigar and roughly chop them. And combine them in the bowl. To provide a refreshing, sweet and tangy flavor, add 1 diced Roma tomato. Add a 1/4 cup of diced red onion for a strong and pungent taste. Now let's make a simple Dijon vinaigrette dressing. Pour 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar for a little acidity in a jar. For a little spicy and a creamy texture, add half tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Half tablespoon of honey for a little sweetness. For warm and earthy flavor, add a touch about 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Lastly, add 1/4 cup of avocado oil. Enclose the jar and shake. The dressing should be slightly thick and smooth. Add as much dressing as you like to the bean salad and mix well. And that's it. Now it's time for plating. And there you have it. Now we can enjoy this mouth-watering cauliflower steak, perfectly seasoned and topped with a vibrant medley of 6 bean salad, tossed in a creamy Dijon vinaigrette. It's a warm, comforting meal that's perfect for staying healthy this winter. So, did you love this recipe? If you do, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Until then, we will see you next time for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.